Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your maths tutor Shruthi. Now, I hope everyone remember our vision. That is, it is not only right to education, it is right to quality education, and our services are V-Learning VSMS. V-Learning? Well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And I hope you remember our motto, that is, always keep on learning, no matter what. It is not only from the book you learn. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? Yes, we have dealt a beautiful chapter, that is lines and angles. Now, in this session, we are going to see MCQ problem, that is multiple choice question. Isn't it interesting? Because we have to just play with the 4 options over there. Yes. Now, let us solve with the first question. What is the first question? When the sum of measure of 2 angles is 90 degree. I hope as soon as you get the question 90 degree, you have to remember one thing. So, we have discussed the trick. So, regarding that, it is C and yes. So, what is C and yes? Complementary and supplementary. From C, you are able to make 90 degree. So, and what is yes? Supplementary, that is nothing but straight angle. What is the degree of straight angle? It is nothing but 180 degree. I hope you remember this trick, right? Now, the same question is asked over there. The sum of measure of 2 angles is 90 degree. So, in the number 9, you can find C over there. So, this is just a trick. So, now the angles are called as, obviously, from the trick itself, you will get to know it is complementary angle. I hope you are able to guess it. How about supplementary? Well, it is right angle 180 degree. How about adjacent? That is entirely different. I hope I have given the example of the friend sitting next to you. That is entirely different. How about vertically opposite? Vertically opposite is nothing but X. I hope you remember that one. How about Z and N? Those are all alternate angle. How about F and reverse F? Those are corresponding angle. So, this is just the brush up. How about the second question? Now, which of the following statements is true? You have to read the statement and then understand. So, let us read the first option over there. 2 acute angles can be complementary to each other. Acute angle, what is the meaning of acute angle? Which is less than 90 degree. I hope you remember this. Obviously, acute angles are complementary. Yes, they are complementary. So, when you consider 2 acute angles, obviously, they are complementary. You can consider maximum. So, that is 45, 55. Yes, it is complementary. 45 and 45. It is 90 degree. So, next, how about the second question? 2 obtuse angles can be complementary to each other. Obtuse. So, obtuse is obviously which is more than 90 degree. So, that is impossible. That is obviously that doesn't come under complementary. So, it is obviously the wrong option over there. The third one, 2 right angles can be complementary to each other. 2 right angles, is it complementary to each other? Right angles, 90 degree and 90 degree. When you consider 2, no, it is above 90 degree. Obviously, this also is not true over there. How about the fourth one? 1 obtuse angle and 1 acute angle can be complementary to each other. As soon as you get the word complementary, it is 90 degree. But here, what are they telling? Obtuse angle. Obviously, this doesn't come under our word, that is complementary word. So, which is the option? So, this is the option. So, 2 acute angles can be complementary. So, you have to remember this. It is can be and it is not must. Now, how about the third question? Which pair of the following angles are complementary? So, which is the angles that is complementary? Here, 60 degree and 30 degree, 90 and 10. So, what is 60 and 30? That is obviously 90 degree. How about 90 and 10? Let me write over here. So, this is 90 degree. Already one option is you are able to guess it. How about 90 and 10? Obviously, this is more than 90 degree. Obviously, B option is eliminated. How about 55 and 45? This is also more than 90 degree when you add up together. So, obviously, this option is also eliminated over there. How about 120 and 60? Again, this option is also eliminated over there. So, obviously, which is the option? It is the first option over there. I hope you are able to guess it. It is all complementary and supplementary is carry forwarded for all your next standards. So this is one of the very important topic. How about the next problem? Now, which pair of the following angles are not supplementary? The question is. Now, 90 and 90. So, as soon as you get the word supplementary, it is straight angle, 180 degree. So, now they are asking which is not. That is, you shouldn't get the answer as 180 degree. 90 and 90, you are getting 180. So, this option is eliminated. Now, 60, 120. Yes, this is somewhat huge, but yes, you are getting 180 over there. How about 45 and 135? Yes, 45 and 135, if you just add up 4, obviously one carry over, yes, you are getting 180. How about 120 and 90, which is something more than 180? So, which is the option? So, this is the option which is not supplementary. So, all these 3 options are supplementary. That is, you are getting straight angle. That is, when you add up together, you are able to get 180 degree. I hope you are able to classify what is complementary, what is supplementary over there. How about the next question? So, next question is the angles in a linear pair are. In a linear pair. As soon as you get the word linear pair, we have discussed all this in our theoretical class. Now, if not, please go back to the previous sessions. Hold on, but not now, okay? Now, linear pair. Linear means single. So, I have given an example regarding, let me take my pen. Now, we had given an example, okay? I hope there is some technical error. Okay. So, now we had given an example regarding the chopping board, right? Yes. And also the pen stand. Yes. So, now this is nothing but the floor level. Suppose if the pen stand is over here and you are keeping something pen. So, whatever the angle from this side or this side, it is nothing but the straight one. So, that is nothing but linear pair of 2 types. So, it is always a supplementary angle. That is nothing but 180 degrees. So, this you have to remember. Now, linear pair, supplementary, straight angle, 180 degree. Everything are the synonyms over there. Now, the angle in a linear pair are, obviously it is 180 degree. Just remember the pen stand and chopping board example. So, it is supplementary angle. How about the next question? Now, the next question, which of the following pairs of angles are in a linear pair? So, you have to check linear pair. Just now I have said it is supplementary, that is 180 degree or straight angle. You have to check which is the linear pair. Now, when I add up 60 and 120, are you getting 180? Yes, you are getting 180. Hold on, let us check the next options also. 95, 45, no, this is somewhat crossing, no. 45, 90, again this is crossing 180. How about this one, 40 and 20? Well, this is least one. So, now, which is the angle that is getting linear pair? That is 180 degree. Obviously, it is option A over there. I hope you are able to understand now. Now, you have to check which is the false one. Which of the following statement is false? So, let us read the first statement. When a transversal, I hope you remember the word transversal, just remember the railway track example or the roads whichever is there or the flyovers whichever is there. I hope you remember the picture. Now, when a transversal cuts 2 lines such that pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines have to be parallel. Obviously, this is true. When the transversal is cutting, obviously it has to be parallel. So, now this statement is true. How about the second one? When a transversal cuts 2 lines such that pairs of alternate interior angle are equal. So, we have discussed alternate Z shape, reverse Z shape, N shape, reverse N shape. Now, alternate interior angles are equal. Yes, it has to be equal because the line is parallel. Now, then the lines have to be parallel. Obviously, this is also true. Just remember the, as I said you, the railway track example. How about the third option? When a transversal cuts 2 lines such that pairs of interior angle on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So what is the meaning of supplementary? It is 180 degree. So then the lines have to be parallel. So obviously when it is cutting, just remember the picture over there. So when it is cutting, so obviously when you see this angle or this angle, let me take the highlighter over there. Now, so when you take this angle, so now this angle and this angle, or this angle, this two angle or this two angle, obviously it has to be a linear pair, that is 180 degree it has to be. Yes, this is also true. Let us read the fourth option. When a transversal cuts two lines such that pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are complementary. We are speaking something about the complementary, then the lines have to be parallel. So when we are studying regarding the transversal topic, we have never learned the word complementary. So it is all linear pair or supplementary we learn. So here the fourth option, they are speaking regarding complementary. So this is the false statement. So according to the question, so D option is the false statement. I hope you are able to classify what is transversal which is parallel and what is transversal which is not parallel. Now the next question. Find the measure of the angle which is double of its complementary. So as soon as you get the word C, so C, from C you are able to make 90 over there. So that is nothing but complementary 90 degree. Now which is the option? When you double it, you will be getting 90 degree. So 60, am I getting? No. 30, am I getting? No. 45? Yes. So 45 and 45 or 45 into 2, you will be getting complementary angle or 90 degree over there. How about 120? No need to check also because that is very huge. So now this option is the correct option, that is 45 degree over there. Now the next question. In the following figure, AB is parallel to, I hope you know this symbol, it is parallel. How about three lines? So if it is three lines with LAR, it is similar. And about this one, it is equal to, not equal to, this is belongs to, does not belongs to. So these are all the small options or small symbols in mathematics. How about this option? It is parallel. So AB is parallel to DG. So in this figure, AB is parallel to DG. Yes, obviously. Next. And BC is parallel to EF. So BC is parallel to EF. Ma'am, what is the meaning of parallel? Well, just remember the railway track. Obviously, the track never meets, right? Yes. So now BC is parallel to EF. Okay. Next one. Also, angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees. So option A, B, C. You might get this way or you might get this way also. So you might get in the textbook this way or this way. You have to be sure. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then the measure of DEF. Obviously DEF is also 60 degree. Why? Because obviously corresponding angles we have learned. So now that is nothing but, so it is nothing but L shape and L shape or F shape and F shape. So all these are nothing but corresponding angles. So which is the option? It is option B. So when it is parallel, as soon as you get the word parallel, so when you are speaking about the upper one or the transversal, obviously F shape or reverse F shape will be always corresponding angle. So that is nothing but 60 degree over there. And the last question. Now, in the following, you have to find the x, in the value of the x in the following figure. That is, L is parallel to M in the following figure. Where is L? So this is the parallel line. So this is one track. One track is named as L. And the next one, another track is named as M. There is a transversal which is cutting over there. So now I hope you remember, if any parallel line is there, a line is cutting, that is called as transversal. This angle is 120 degree. But they are asking x, what is the value of x? As I said you just now, the 9th question, we have discussed F shape or reverse F shape. It is nothing but the corresponding angle. So obviously corresponding angle, when a transversal is cutting the parallel line, it is equal. So what is this angle? So this angle is 120 degree. Why? Because corresponding angle. How about this side? Let us go back to our previous questions, that is chopping board or the pen stand. Now If suppose if you're keeping this is the ground level and this is the pen over there. So obviously ground level is nothing but right angle, that is 180 degree. So this side, if it is 180, what is the remaining side over there? That is easy guess. So this is 60 degree over there. I hope you are able to understand. Now what is the option? So that is nothing but third option. Now, is it interesting to solve and with more problems, that is MCQ problems? Yes. For that, you have to stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting videos. And hold on, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. That would be a great support for us. You can find us in our Facebook page and as well as in our Instagram page also. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class with more interesting chapter. What is that? You have to stay tuned to our channel. Till then, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.